Welcome to Master Shivansh channel. Let's learn how to make a wall clock. Arrange these materials: cardboard table clock, circular paper cutout, scissor, tape, numbers, decorative materials, adhesive. Take a rectangular cardboard having frames along the four sides. Cut the cardboard in center to tightly fit the table clock. Paste the circular paper cutout at the center of the cardboard. Cut this circular paper cutout and gently fit the table clock. Paste steps around the sides to give it a firm look. Stick the numbers 1 to 12. Decorate as per your choice. Now my wall clock is ready. It is beautiful, isn't it? Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.